What could you be thinking, Lord, to allow this tragedy? You must have some confidence instilled in me. Only you can see what lies deep within this troubled mind. An overwhelming pain I look for you to bind, because you'll heal my broken heart. Calm my spirit, stand my guard. Soothe my troubled fears, remind me you're here, and heal my broken heart. There are days I make it through. Oh, but Lord, don't ask me how. If there's a lesson for me to learn, then show me now. I believe no tears that fall could be wasted in your plan. But Lord, I need some help here. Help me understand. In time you'll heal my broken heart. Calm my spirit, stand my guard. Soothe my troubled fears, remind me you're here, and heal my broken heart. You know how I'm fighting these feelings inside. My hope isn't dying, it